Did you know you can create a fully animated hero section for free using just a prompt? No coding, no designing skills, just one prompt. Stick around because by the end of this video you will be able to do this yourself. For this we need Google AI Studio and we also need motion sites. So welcome back, let's get started. This is Google AI Studio. Here you can write a prompt and it gives you text, code or even builds small apps for you. And this is motion sites. This has ready-made AI prompts for making website hero sections with cool animations. So we are not going to develop anything here, we are just going to gather the relevant prompts. So here you will find free designs as well as premium designs. If we scroll up here, we can filter to only free designs. Now all of these designs are completely free to use. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this design. Just click on copy prompt and it copies the prompt. Then go to Google AI Studio and paste this prompt. So in this prompt, it has all the information needed to build the hero section we just saw in motion sites. So now let's submit this prompt. It starts coding. This will take a few minutes. So here it's asking for a design version. So if you prefer, you can select a version, but I'm just going to skip it. Then it will start coding again. And here we go. It's finished developing. In the upper left corner, you can see the text is overlapped with the navigation bar. So let's fix it with a simple prompt like this. I asked it to keep spacing between the navigation bar and the text below it. Here's the output. So it's kept the spacing nicely. Now let's make this character move along with the path of the mouse cursor. For that, I'm going to use this prompt. You can get this from the description or just take a screenshot of this. So I'm going to copy this and paste it into Google AI Studio. It updated the animation. Let's expand this to full screen. Here's the final output and you can even see the character moves according to the mouse path. So this section is also responsive for small screens. If you go to devices and select mobile, you can see the mobile version. Here the character will not move according to the mouse and you can see the animation is not great. So let's ask it to remove the character animation from mobile devices. Go back to chat and simply say to remove the animation. Now you can see the animation is much smoother than before. And you can customize this animation design even more. You can even use custom characters. If you go to the code tab, you will see the coding files which are done in TypeScript. You can even publish this project from here, and if you want to download it, just click export and select download as zip file. The whole folder will download. And that's how we can create an animated hero section using motion sites for free. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.